Paying online on RBC. Today we are going to learn how to correctly pay your Visa bill online on RBC. For this, follow the instruction in this video. In step number 1, log into RBC Online Banking. Ensure you have the latest version installed on your device or access it through your web browser. Next, navigate to the account section. Locate the specific Visa account you want to make a payment towards. Look for the make a payment or pay your bill option. This might be labeled slightly different depending on your online banking interface. After that, select your Visa account as the source of funds. Choose the account from which you want to make the payment. Then enter the payment amount. Ensure you put the correct amount to cover your outstanding bill or choose to pay your full balance. Then choose the payment date. Decide whether you want the payment to be processed immediately or on a specific date in the future. Next, review and confirm the payment. Double check all the details before finalizing the payment. And at last, you will receive a confirmation message or email once the payment is successfully submitted. That's all. That's how you can correctly pay your Visa bill online on RBC.